Hi, are you a landlord in Brent? Are you worried about selective licensing? Well, if you are, then I've got some news you've been waiting to hear for a long time. So yesterday, we heard that the Secretary of State has just announced that they will not be approving Brent selective licensing because it was too far and too wide within the borough. So this is fantastic news for all Brent landlords. You now know that you aren't going to be having to spend £840 just to get a licence for the privilege of letting out your property. You see, the problem with selective licensing is Brent used justification that they needed to have this licensing in place to prevent antisocial behaviour. Well, we're here in Wembley Central Ward. We've had selective licensing since 2015, and I'm sorry to say that it has made no difference to the impact of antisocial behaviour in this area. I tell you what has made a difference, the betting shop over here closing down. So if we could get more betting shops off our high street, maybe then we'd see a reduction in antisocial behaviour. But as for maintaining the standard of a property, it just doesn't work. There are landlords out there that are looking after their properties and they don't need to be spending £840 a year, 5 years, just for the privilege of letting their properties. You need to find other ways of getting these people. You already have the tools, Brent, within your armour to be able to go out and take these landlords to task. That's been proven many times over. You don't need selective licensing to make people look after their properties. What about the Homes and Fitness for Human Habitation Act? Is that not enough? So, great news for Brent landlords. What I don't know though is whether Brent will try again. They probably won't try to create such wide licensing, but they may go for smaller sectors like we've had in the past, where we previously had when they first launched it, Wembley Central, Harlesden and Willesden Green. So we're waiting to find out what's going to happen. As new information comes to hand, I will let you know and I'll keep you posted. Take care, until next time, bye.